Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and McAfee VPN. So to get started with quick analysis about these two VPN platforms, ExpressVPN continues to lead in speed, privacy, and global coverage. It offers a fast server in 90 plus countries, top-tier encryption, a no-log policy, and features like split tunneling and lightweight protocol, making it excellent for streaming, torrenting, and browsing securely. Its easy-to-use app works smoothly on nearly every device, and it's trusted for serious online privacy. Talking about McAfee VPN, on the other hand, is a simply option bundled with a McAfee's antivirus plan. While it provides a decent encryption and automatic Wi-Fi protection, it lacks advanced features, has fewer server locations, and doesn't perform as well for unblocking streaming service. It's more suited for basic protection than power users. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms. So if you want a full control, better speed, and a stronger privacy features, ExpressVPN is clearly the better VPN in 2025 that you can use. On the other hand, McAfee VPN is okay for casual users already using the McAfee antivirus, but it doesn't compete with ExpressVPN's capabilities. And that's it.